Alright, first thing first, let's open Unity Hub. Now, head over to the Installs tab. As you can see here, I have already installed Unity 6. If you are using a lower-end PC or laptop, feel free to install older version of Unity, like 2021 or 2022. That is totally fine. Unity 6 does have some new changes in the UI and features, but don't worry. The core coding and workflow we will using in this course are almost the same across versions. So, as long as you have used Unity at least once before, you will be able to follow along without any problem. Let's go ahead and create our Unity project. Click on the New Project button and first select the editor version. I am using Unity 6, so I will select that. Next, choose the 2D built-in render pipeline. If you haven't downloaded this template yet, go ahead and do that. Give your project a name. Pick a location on your system where you want to save it. Now uncheck the Connect to Unity Cloud option. We won't be needing that for this course. Now hit Create Project button.